operation, how to do insertion in linked list using array. For example, if I want to insert a data 21 after 20, suppose 20 is in stored in variable temp and 21, that is the new data want to insert in this list. Okay, so I want to insert 21 after 20. So first of all I will search where 20 is located. So I will start from this, okay, from 0, node of 0, and I will check whether the node of 0 data is equal to 10. No. Then increment whether the node of 1 data is equal to 10. Yes. So I got the 20. Now in this I will check its next part. So next part is not -1. Okay. It means there is some link which will point to the next element. But after this 20, I want to insert this 21. So after 20, what is next location? That is second location. So at second location, I will enter 21. Okay. So after 20, there should be 21. 21 is located at 2. So here in next part, I will put here instead of 2, 6. Then where to put 6? Where to put this 6? So 6 will get put at this new location next part here. Okay. So in graphically how it is done, 21. Okay. Here is 2. Okay. Then this is second location and this node contain the address of next, like this. Okay. Now that we have done manually, how to write the code for this. First of all, you have to read data that you want to insert, okay, in new data variable. Okay. Then second, read the data after which you want to insert in 10. So new data is nothing but 21 and read the data after which you want to insert, that is in 10, that is 20. Okay. Once you read these two information, what you have to do, you have to search for this 20, means after which you want to insert. So for that we have used for I is equal to 0, I is less than what? I is less than size of array, that is 10, and I plus this. What we have to do, if node of I is equal to 10, then break. You have to find out the node which is equal to this data after which you want to insert. If this condition is true, we will stop here. If this condition is not true, it will check for every location. Okay. Once this condition get true, we'll get the ith location. Okay, we'll get the ith location, means after which you want to insert. Then you have to check its next location is free or not. Its next location is free or not. So I will check if node I plus 1 dot data is equal to -1. If it is, then what you have to do? Here this is the situation. I is 1, I plus 1 is means 2. If this part is blank, then what we have to do? We have to put this new data in that. But before that, we have to change. We need to change this location. Here before 6. This I next is equal to this I plus 1 then I plus 1 next is equal to I next, and then put the required data. So how to do this? I plus 1 dot next is equal to, I means 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 next is equal to what? This we want. How will get? I next. So here node. Node of I plus next is equal to node I next. Node I next. Then next is what? Here, now here is 6. What we want here? This one. So node I next is equal to I plus 1. Is equal to I plus 1. So it becomes 2. Now what we have to put? This new data at this location. So node I plus 1 dot data is equal to new data. So here is new data 21. Okay, done. Now if this next location is not empty, if there is some data available, then what you have to do? Here you have to print else. Cout cannot insert. Cannot insert. This is about the insert operation using